everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for being here. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make these delicious and nutritious pancakes. I will include the ingredients in the video, but I will also put on the description box if you guys interested and would love to try, and let me know what's your thoughts about this recipe in the comments section. First, we need to process the cooking oats in a food processor and the spinach in a blender. Just add splash of unsweetened almond milk and blend until smooth. Then mash the banana into a bowl and set aside. To another bowl, mix the cooking oats, flour, baking powder, coconut sugar, and matcha powder, and mix till they are combined. Then add and strain the liquid spinach and follow the unsweetened almond milk, vanilla extract, coconut oil, banana, and mix it well. Brush your nonstick skillet or griddle with butter, coconut oil, or cooking spray. And carefully scoop a cup of pancakes batter onto the pan or griddle and cook the first side until the edges become firm and the batter begins to bubble slightly for about 3 to 5 minutes. Flip on the second side until golden brown for about 3 to 4 more minutes. Cook the rest of your pancakes and serve while it's warm with your favorite toppings. I use blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, banana, and sugar-free syrup. I hope you'll enjoy this spinach vegan pancakes and enjoy your breakfast. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.